Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna work with angel paper. Angel paper, some people, I think they call it stained glass paper. I bought this packet from AliExpress, and inside there are 5 bags and all have different colors. I'll leave the link down below in the comments. So I'm gonna play with this. I will also be testing, instead of using foil glue to attach the paper, I'm gonna try with this, something I just bought. It's a bonder from Depend. I was planning to buy Orly bonder, but then when I was out in my shopping here in my area, I found this one and I thought I would test it. And I promised Young Lee, I hope I pronounce it correct. She has a channel, and if you don't know her, I'll put her channel down below as well. I promised her that I would try it and then I would tell her how it works, because I have never used this before also. As I said, I was planning to buy Orly bonder. So I will be testing this with the paper instead of using normal glue. On my nails right now I have Essence White. This one is called Wild White Ways. And I will be making a gradient. So I will be making a gradient with these 3 polishes. This one is Essie, it's called Strut Your Stuff. This one is just like a mint green. This one I bought it in Thailand. And then there is this one, is from W7, and it's called It's Pink. So this one, I'm not sure if you can buy it in America. I know here in Europe we have it, and I know England they also have it, because I've seen Jellulicious. I've seen her use it in different videos, so that must mean that they have it in England. But as I said, I don't know if they have it in America, but you could just use a pink. Yeah, so I'm gonna start making my gradient. So let's get started. I'm gonna use one of these makeup sponges. Oh, sorry. Sorry. So you just have to like keep dabbing until you feel like the consistency is right. Oh, I mean the color, not the consistency. Normally I do it around 3 times. Oops. this is how it came out. I did do 3 times. I dabbed with the sponge 3 times, and now I'll just clean up, and then I'll be back. Now the polish is dry, and I'm gonna apply the bonder. I'm gonna try it. So it's transparent, so it shouldn't leave any stains or color or so I'm going to start with 3 nails. And I have cut some pieces of the paper, angel paper. So it's the first time I'm doing this, working with this paper. I just want to mention it. So let me see. So it's this way. So let me first check if it's tacky enough or not, or so it's tacky. It's like it's already settled down, so that's good. It doesn't leave like a strong fingerprint. So I think I can apply the paper now. So this one you can, I don't know which side, like you can use both, but I'll use this side. Oops. So maybe I've cut some of them a little bit too big, but as I said, it's the first time, so oops. Oh, it got stained. Oh, this is really tricky. Come on. Maybe it's better just to use the hand. So I'll just show you one nail, and then I'll make the rest. So it dries. Oh, I only used on the 3 nail, that's right. Yeah, it's still tacky, so that's good. So let me try and cut them. I think I need to cut them a little bit shorter. Then I have some decorations here. I thought it would look nice. If I put some of these. Wait, let me grab my other tool. Oops. Oh, Elsa. This is sometimes... Oh, come on, come on. So I have set up my camera my phone too low, so it's difficult for me to move around. So I'm sorry about that. There, finally got you. Just want to put it straight if it's possible. Let me check one moment. Like that. And then I'll put some top coat and let's see how it turns out. I will be using, first I'm gonna put some water top coat so that it doesn't affect the paper, the angel paper. And then after I can put whatever I want. So that's the look. Got some small cleanups to do. Let me check. Yeah, the bonder is still sticky, so that's good. So I'm gonna continue and make the rest of the nails, and then I'll show you the end result. So these are the finished nails. So it took a while, but I got through it. And I only applied the water top coat. I didn't put any other top coat because, yeah, I was a little bit afraid that it was gonna ruin the nails. So I just kept it simple. So I hope you liked my tutorial. If you have any questions, please write it in the comments and I'll try to answer. And any link I have, I'll put it in the description. And I'll see you next time. If you liked my nails, please hit the thumbs up. And yeah, there is lots of other videos on my channel that you can see. And yeah, that's it. Bye. See you next time.